So guys, I'm out here on my neighbor's boat again, and now he said that it doesn't run. He took it out for a test drive and he didn't get anywhere. Let me show you this. So we're gonna cycle the key. You hear the fuel pump turn on, but look at our current. Our current's at like 5 amps or so, but it drops down when you try to start it. I'm not gonna try to start it right now. Let's see, we'll get on to 20 milliseconds. Hopefully you guys can see this. So there you go. I don't know if you guys can see this or not. It's really hard to see. Let's get you guys into some shade. There you go. Hopefully you guys can see that. I know it's not focusing. There you go. So we're like 5 amps. And the fuel pump's located right down there. You can see my amp clamps around it. And then I put my flow gauge here and we get no flow. Like I have it wide open right now. And there's nothing coming out. So guys, we're going to try to add some gas once we get the cap off, and we'll see if that makes a difference. Hopefully it's just low in gas. If not, we got to pull the floor up to get to the fuel pump. Because the fuel pumps, well, I mean the fuel tank's under here. So I don't know if there's a restriction or what, and the fuel pump's on the side of the motor. So this will get exciting, maybe. Oh, and it does say it has a half tank gas. So guys, I found out I was on the wrong side of the fuel line, because that's the vacuum side that comes from the tank. So I came up here, I slid this cover back, and then I get the access to the fuel rail, because I didn't think about that. And now we have fuel in here, although it does look like there must be a lot of water in there or something. You can see the separation line, but we built pressure and it runs now. So guys, look at this. Now we can open this, the fuel cleaned up. We can open this valve and look how much flow we get. We're around 26 gallons per hour or so. I don't know if you guys can see that with this open. So we dropped like 2 psi and it's able to maintain 26.4 gallons an hour. And then our current, let me stop this. Let's look at our current. I don't know if you guys can see that, but our current's up to like 8 to 9 amps. Look at that. Perfect. That's amazing. So, hope you guys like this. See you later. So guys, here's what the current looks like. I figured this would be better. There we go. And it's been running for like 15 minutes. See you later. So guys, we put, I don't know if you can see it, 28 gallons in a 30-gallon tank. So yeah, it was empty. See you later. So guys, look at this. We're still under full, even though the tank's full. So our float is definitely bad. We're gonna start it up here. You can turn the water on. Let's see. There we go. Listen to that. Confirmed fix, no fuel. We proved it. See you later.